dig deep, there is a well of goodness inside. If you keep digging forever, it will flow forever. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to show you a small spark that can ignite the fire of positive transformation in your life. Look at the man in this picture. Doesn't he seem weak, sad, and defeated? Now, look at this same person in the second image. Strong, resilient, and self-assured. What if I told you that these two are the same person? In this video, we will discuss the 7 Stoic habits that prevent the man in the first picture from becoming the powerful, resilient, and self-confident version in the second. You are here because you value personal development and aspire to become a better person. That's why I invite you to stay with us until the end. Enjoy the show.
1. Fear of change. When your favorite TV show starts a new season and you're unsure whether you'll like it or not, you know that feeling, right? Well, that's a small example of the fear of change. The ancient Stoics were great admirers of adapting to change. They believed that understanding life as a constant process of change helps keep your mind calm and your eyes open to opportunities. We can think of it like transitioning to a new phone. It might feel strange at first. The adjustment period can be challenging, but as we adapt to the new features and opportunities that come with the change, we can experience a richer overall experience. Don't let the fear of change limit you. Life has its unique moods. It constantly changes and throws surprises our way. The secret is to embrace it. See every change as a new scene in a movie, sometimes action, sometimes drama, but always exciting. Remember the wise words of Emperor Marcus Aurelius: "Never let the future disturb you. You will meet it, if you have to, with the same weapons of reason which today arm you against the present." Let's keep our courage armor on and allow change to be the wind beneath our wings. 2. Worrying about trivial things. Now pause for a moment and think about how much time you spend worrying about things like getting stuck in traffic. Isn't it like worrying about a speck of dust on your shoe? Let's set aside these insignificant worries and start focusing on the bigger things. Let's allow small concerns to fly away like leaves in the wind. The Stoics teach us to train our minds to distinguish between the real and the fake, the important and the unimportant. When you feel anxious, turn to yourself and ask, is this really necessary? If not, don't hesitate to metaphorically throw it out of the window. Another way to approach this is to ask, what would a Stoic do in this situation? Take a step back, take a deep breath, and focus on the bigger picture. You are the artist of your life. Why waste your colors on worries and trivialities? Sketch out the negatives and paint your canvas with purpose and joyful strokes. Life is too short to get entangled in the web of insignificant things. Keep your eyes on the prize, let distractions fade away, and allow precious things to guide your attention towards success and meaning. Remember, those who can redirect their focus from trivial details to valuable pursuits will encounter achievement and significance. 3. Pursuing revenge. Imagine you're deeply immersed in a book you enjoy at a cafe, and someone accidentally spills their coffee on you. Your initial reaction might be anger, with the desire to retaliate, even considering pouring something on them in return. Feeling violated in such situations is a natural response. However, if the person who spilled the coffee immediately apologizes and acknowledges their mistake, a Stoic would choose the path of understanding and forgiveness instead of seeking revenge. In such moments, feeling violated is a natural response, but revenge might not be the wisest choice. A Stoic would argue that choosing understanding and forgiveness is more virtuous than revenge, which is unnecessary and unhealthy, much like adding more sugar to an already sweet drink. The source of the quick, ego-driven reaction, like anger, is our own ego. Let's manage it by nurturing it with growth and understanding, rather than junk food. Remember, seeking revenge is akin to running on a treadmill. You sweat, You tire, but you don't get anywhere. Channel that energy towards elevating your life. In bigger issues, recall Marcus Aurelius's wisdom. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injustice. Embrace Stoic principles, prioritize internal resilience over external conflicts, preserve your peace, and look forward. For wasting time. We often complain about how little time we have, yet we consistently possess more than we truly need. We carry on with our lives, constantly postponing our responsibilities, doing nothing in alignment with our goals, essentially living in a state of indifference. We lament the limited days we have, yet continue as if there is no end to our days. Does this resonate with your everyday life? For example, binge-watching an entire season of a TV series in one sitting, only to wonder how time passed so quickly. Especially in today's world, with the speed of technology, recognizing and consciously managing the passing of time has become crucial. Our limited time on Earth should not be spent aimlessly, either by searching for the remote control or getting lost in the allure of social media, focusing for hours on what others are doing. Let's not spend our time buried under the rubble of procrastination. Friends, let's create love, laugh, and dance on the sands of time. Our time is our most precious treasure. Let's not bury it under the debris of postponement. Let's not merely exist. Let's live life in a magnificent way. Prioritize your duties, goals, and things that truly resonate with your soul. The path to the inner richness of life involves accumulating memories, reaching your goals, and being with your loved ones. Today, you have a chance to be amazing. Tomorrow is uncertain. 5. Seeking external validation. Demanding approval from the external world is akin to wearing an alien garment over your inner strength. This pursuit obscures and conceals your true self. The concept we need to understand is the Stoic idea of the inner fortress, an unassailable fortress by external opinions or events. Stoics believed that we should not be influenced by the chaos and judgments of the external world, asserting the importance of respecting this internal space. Living in harmony with our true values, without being constantly swayed by fleeting external judgments, is crucial. Stoics encouraged us to find sanctuary in our inner fortress, the source of our true self-worth and genuine happiness. Drawing inspiration from ancient wisdom, they emphasized the need to be conscious of the power and resilience of our inner fortress. It's not about ego or superiority. Rather, it involves grounding oneself in authentic self-awareness and purpose. Understanding that this is not about ego, but about anchoring oneself in authentic self-awareness and purpose is vital. By protecting and valuing this inner sanctuary, Stoics believed we don't isolate ourselves from the world, but instead we establish a stable and authentic relationship with it. Stoics teach us how to stand unwavering in the face of external opinions and the storms of difficulties by nourishing our inner strength. By developing this power, allow your inner realm to guide you. Display a stable and satisfying stance in your journey through life. 6. Problem search. Don't act like a detective, searching for non-existent problems in your life. Inventing issues out of thin air is akin to using a flashlight to search for ghosts under your bed. Let's turn off that flashlight and embrace the light of positivity together. Yes, life has its ups and downs. It's not a constant stop, and it never will be. However, focusing on the negatives is like boarding an escalator perpetually descending. Why waste time getting stuck on bad things when you can enjoy the sunshine of good things? Be the captain of your oath, navigate through storms with resilience, and sail towards the calm waters of opportunities and happiness. Remember, the map and compass for your life journey are in your hands. Instead of a chase, turn it into a treasure hunt, by realizing the power within you. 7. To complain. Complaining holds the last spot on the list of negative habits. Stoics compare it to yelling at the rain. It won't stop. Instead of complaining, embrace the rain and welcome the beautiful, earthy scent it brings afterward. Try to make the best of your current situation. Complaints won't help us understand or improve the complexities or beauties of life. Let's accept life as it is, learn, adapt, and move forward. Turn complaints into actions and transform difficulties into stepping stones. Rather than letting challenges drag us down, let's turn them into opportunities to leap forward. Despite everything, leave negativity behind, shake it off, and stand up. Consider the words of Marcus Aurelius. Why should we feel anger at the world, as if the world would notice? Stoicism teaches us to turn complaints into compliments, to trade problems for solutions, and to keep turning the world and winning ourselves. Instead of complaining, focus on exploring our inner strength, understanding ourselves, and aligning with the flow of life. Let go of these negative habits and witness how, like Stoics, positivity becomes an unbeatable source of growth and resilience. Flip through the pages of life with wisdom, courage, and plenty of smiles. Before concluding the video, I'd like to share with you a wise saying that I always keep in the corner of my mind, serving as a guide. Sharing is the first step towards change. We are all here to support each other, and I would greatly enjoy reading any wise words that you have adopted as your guide in the comments. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, showing your support by liking and sharing would be appreciated. Finally, if you're interested in watching more videos on Stoic wisdom, you can choose one from the videos that will appear on your screen now. Wishing you a healthy and mindful life. Take care of yourself.